Hello, young mathematicians! Welcome to another exciting math lesson. Today, we're going to explore the wonderful world of multiplication and discover the times table of 4. All right, let's get started. We'll delve into the times table of 4 from 4 times 1 to 4 times 10. Are you ready? Let's embark on this multiplication journey. 4 times 1 equals 4. That's right. 4 times 2 equals 8. You're doing fantastic. 4 times 3 equals 12. Great job. 4 times 4 equals 16. You're math superstars. 4 times 5 equals 20. Amazing. 4 times 6 equals 24. You're rocking this. 4 times 7 equals 28. Excellent. 4 times 8 equals 32. You're unstoppable. 4 times 9 equals 36. You're almost there. 4 times 10 equals 40. Wow, you've mastered the times table of 4. Great job, my little math wizards. I hope you had as much fun learning as I did teaching. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing your times tables. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more math adventures. Until next time, happy multiplying!